Hey everyone, welcome back. So in this video we are going to learn about operators, okay? And after this video we are going to learn about loops, okay? Why we are learning operators? Because it is the most important aspect in loops, right? So hence let's get started with this particular topic. So these are the topics which we are going to cover in today's agenda, okay? So let's start with the introduction to operators. So what are operators? Operators are symbols that perform operation on one or more operands. Okay, they are used in programming to compute values, assign values, or compare values. Operators can be used to create expression or statement that can be evaluated. In short, operators are something which are used to do a particular operations, right? Moving forward, what are the types of operators which we have seen in the first slide? That are arithmetic operator, logical operator, comparison, and assignment operators. Okay, let's start with the first type of operator, which is arithmetic operator, right? Arithmetic, as the name suggests, arithmetic operation is the basic mathematical operation which do the basic operations into any two numbers, right? So it is addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. So, as per the slide, arithmetic operations are used to perform basic math operations such as addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. They are used to create expression that can be evaluated to a single value. All right. Okay, moving forward, what are logical operator? Let's say that you have been given a condition and you know that maybe the output would be true or false, yes or no, 1 or 0, right? So at that particular case, we make use of logical operator. Logical operator are used to combine two or more boolean values. They are used to create expression that can be evaluated to a single boolean value. Common logical operator are and, or, and not. Okay, what are these? We are going to cover this in the upcoming videos. Okay, all right. Comparison operator. Let's say that you want to compare two values and you want to know which one is the expected one that you are looking for, right? So at that particular case you are going to use comparison operators, right? So comparison operators are used to compare the two values, right? They are used to create expression that can be evaluated to a single boolean value. Common comparison operators are greater than, small than, greater than, equal to, smaller than, equal to. All right, so these are the things which we are going to cover in upcoming videos, right? And the last one would be the assignment operator. Let's say that you want to check whether this value is equals to the value b. So at that particular time you are supposed to use assignment operator, right? So assignment operators are used to assign value to a particular variable. They are used to create expression that can be evaluated to a single value. So common assignment operators are equals to, plus and equals to, and negative equals to. You might be wondering, we understand what is equals to. So I just want to give you a clear understanding of equals to. So equals to is something that it is storing a particular value, right? It is not saying that this value is equals to this. Let's say where a equals to 5. Okay, so in this particular case you are just storing the value 5 in a variable a, right? But what if you write where a equals to 5, which means the value 5 is equals to a, which is totally false, right? If you write 5 equals to 5, then it makes sense that both the value are true. Okay, then what is plus and equals to? So when you write plus and equals to, it will just add a single value to that particular thing. Let's say you write a plus equals to 1, which means a equals to a plus 1, and same goes for a minus equals to, meaning a equals to a minus 1. Okay, so if you're not getting what I am about to say, so just follow with the upcoming videos. We are definitely going to use all of these operators, all right? And then comes the conclusion part. Why we use operators? So operators are an essential part of programming. Hence, they allow us to create expression and statement that can be evaluated to a single value. Okay. So based upon the different kind of scenario that we will be facing in future, we'll be using the types of operator which we saw right now. All right. So hope you got today's lecture and see you in the upcoming video. Stay tuned and have a great day. Bye bye.